Are you a successful executive or manager and you find yourself with more and more opportunities to speak, present, talk, pitch, and you're just not completely confident that you're great in every single scenario? Maybe people tell you you're good. Maybe you feel pretty good most of the time, but it's uneven. Sometimes you're really on, sometimes you're just so-so. On a 1 to 10 scale, if you had to rate your own communication skills, you'd rate yourself at perhaps, say, 6. Better than average, but not the 9 or 10 you want to be. Well, if that describes you, you're not alone. I can tell you, I work with thousands of executives all over the world who tell me the same thing. TJ, I'm really good one-on-one, but if I have to stand up and speak to larger groups, I'm out of my comfort zone. I freeze up, I'm uncomfortable. I'm just not sure I'm really connecting, or I'm talking over people's heads, or I get lost in the details if I have to give a PowerPoint presentation. It's completely understandable, but how does that really help you? If you want to maximize your chances of success in your career and in life, you need to come across your best every single time. You can't play favorites and say, well, I'm really good if I have a month to prepare for that big PowerPoint and I can practice, but I can't speak spontaneously. Or I'm really good in person, but I can't talk on video. Or I'm really good if I can write it all out, rehearse it, use a teleprompter, but can't just pick up a phone and make a quick impromptu presentation like this. Now, I didn't script any of this out. I didn't write it out, and I didn't rehearse it. I'm doing it in one take. It's not because I have any more innate talent than you, but it's a skill I learned through a process and by doing it again and again and again. If you think your career could benefit by you being a better speaker, in fact, a great speaker, every single time you speak, whether it's to large audiences, small audiences, virtual audiences, in-person audiences, to the media, using PowerPoint or not, then you're absolutely right. Your career can be boosted and nothing will hold you back. If you really want to reach the pinnacle of your profession, not just your current job, but the pinnacle of your profession, you have to learn how to be a great communicator. Not a good communicator, but a great communicator. Doesn't mean you have to be high-fiving up on a stage with Anthony Robbins, but it does mean you've got to learn how to really connect with the audience you care about, your customers, your prospects, and to do it in a variety of ways. You may be on the run. You may have just landed in another country and have to make a quick video walking along the airport runway because there's no time to stop and script things. You may have situations where the lighting isn't great, or you're in a room like I am today in just a lobby of a hotel, and you feel awkward speaking because there are people over here who might be able to hear you. You've got to figure out how to do that. Now, the number one way is to simply speak more. Speak more frequently. Do not turn down any opportunities to speak. And if no one invites you to speak today, or there's no meeting today, pick up the phone and doing what I'm doing right now. And that is speak. Don't worry about it being perfect. I just made a mistake 10 seconds ago. There was another one, and yet I don't let it bother me. I don't say, oh, it's not perfect. I can't do this. Delete, wait for another day. No. I'm trying to come up with messages that are useful and helpful to you. That's what's important, not whether I'm perfect or not. If you'd like to explore how to boost all of your communication levels, not just the PowerPoint, not just the media, but how to up your game in every aspect of communication, well, then you're in luck. I do have a new program that's designed to help you. It's about executives who are already good speakers, not incredibly fearful of public speaking, but better than average, who want to be great at every single aspect of communication. If you want to see if you're a good fit for that, then please click the link below in the description of this video and set up a time to meet with me and my colleague Jess. We'd be happy to give you a free, no obligation consultation. Thanks.